This is Mark from tradinginform.com, and these are my 3 free trading resources. The first one of my resources is Google Sheets. Since I discovered this as a trader, it has made an enormous difference. I use Google Sheets for automating the mechanical aspects, the calculation aspects of my trading strategies. I have it on an app and it will give me a signal at whatever time I choose to tell me whether I should be in or out of the market. If you're not familiar with Google Sheets, it is very similar to Excel with some key differences, and this is why I use it. Google Sheets is in the cloud. It is permanently connected to the internet. You have all the same functions as you can find in Excel, except for the fact it is also connected to Google Finance, so you can get live or nearly live price data for a wide range of markets. Furthermore, you can program it so it will store that data for you, so you have a store of your very own historical data that you can use to calculate your indicators, your patterns, or whatever you're using for your trading strategy, and then tell it to give you a signal when you need to trade. Okay, resource number 2 is Yahoo Finance. I have been using Yahoo Finance since I first started backtesting trading strategies, and it is quite simply the most amazing resource for every trader. It has got historical data for stocks, for indices, for ETFs from all around the world, and it has masses of it. It is an unbelievable free resource. You should be testing your trading strategies, and one of the best sources of free data is Yahoo Finance. My third trading resource is it's called Forex Factory, but it is not just for Forex traders. It is a calendar that will tell you all the market moving information, when it's coming out, and what the information was. So whether you're interested in trading the news, whether you want to avoid the news, whether you want to understand the patterns of what is happening with the economic data, whether you want to trade with the Fed, against the Fed, everything you can get from the Forex Factory calendar. I said there would be 3 resources, but in fact I'm going to give you a bonus one. If you would like to subscribe to Trade Inform, there is a link on the screen at the moment and below this video. You can get absolutely for free and download immediately spreadsheets showing you how to automatically calculate Fibonacci's. You can get Japanese trading systems like Renko, 3-line breaks. You can calculate your Forex lots. Spreadsheet showing you how to calculate the linear regression, standard deviation channels, RSI. If you like MetaTrader 4, you can download an expert advisor and super trend indicator, and also a PDF guide of how to use Google Sheets to store historical price data. So there you have my three plus a bonus resources. Hope you enjoyed this video about trading. If you do, please hit the like button, and please remember to subscribe for this channel for more videos like this.